हेलो माय लवली डियर फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। माइंडियोलॉजी के एक नए वीडियो में आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ के बारे में, जो कि आज के इस टाइम में काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग है, पॉपुलर है, आपने सुना भी होगा। यस, वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट मैनिफेस्टेशन। यस, मैनिफेस्ट करना, किसी भी चीज़ को अभिव्यक्त करना अपने माइंड के थ्रू, उसको इमेजिनेशन के थ्रू उसको फील करना, महसूस करना पॉजिटिव वे में, सो दैट वी कैन अचीव आवर गोल्स एंड टारगेट्स, राइट। ये बहुत बार आपने कई सारी इंस्टाग्राम रील्स में, वीडियोस में सुना होगा, एंड दिस इज वेरी ट्रेंडिंग दीज डेज, दैट मैनिफेस्ट कीजिए, यूनिवर्स इज लिसनिंग टू यू एंड ऑल दैट। सो आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ बहुत ही अच्छे बेनिफिट्स के बारे में which we can achieve when we are doing the manifestation, right? So if you're interested in this topic and would like to know more about it, then I would request you to please watch this video till end to get the best out of it. So let's start it. Welcome to Mindiology, the platform for skills, lifestyle, and career development. I'm your host and host Deepak from the team Mindiology. So let's start the videos. The first and the very important benefit of manifestation is that it improves your mood. Yes, it improves your mood. Yes, आपका मूड अच्छा रहता है because जो भी आप manifest कर रहे हैं, सोच रहे हैं, build कर रहे हैं अपने mind में, that's more positive. And when you have the positive thing, automatically it changes and improves your mood. You become more constructive and positive rather than being very negative and irritated, right? So it's very important. Moving on to the next thing that's very very crucial, that builds confidence. Yes, it builds your confidence as well. आपके अंदर एक confidence आता है कि yes, I have something in my life, I can achieve it and I can do that. So confidence रहना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Okay? Moving on to the next thing, which is very very crucial, that set realistic goals. Yes, ये एक बहुत important चीज़ है, that because of the manifestation हम realistic goals set करते हैं, not some unrealistic thing which you cannot achieve. Definitely you manifest, you think about yourself, you know yourself better, and then आप वो goal set करते हो. तो realistic चीज़ें होती हैं कि मुझे 5 साल में ये अचीव करना है, 10 साल में ये अचीव करना है, maybe you want to get a good job, maybe I want to excel in the business or whatever your choice of field, आपके हिसाब से, आपकी चॉइस के हिसाब से जो भी फील्ड है जिसको भी आप चुनते हैं एज अ करियर वाइज, और मे बी सम अदर थिंग्स यू हैव इन योर लाइफ एज अ गोल, वो आप अचीव करते हैं. नॉट सेइंग द ड्रीम्स नहीं देखने चाहिए, बिल्कुल देखने चाहिए. until and unless you not dream, you can't turn them into reality. So dream देखना तो बहुत ज़रूरी है, but those have to be realistic as well. And अगर वो लगता है थोड़े बहुत बड़े हैं या कुछ उसमें was a very grand, then equally you have to do the hard work also in the order to achieve and attain them. And when you do the manifestation, it definitely helps you. Okay, moving on to the next thing, which is very important, that thoughts and beliefs. Yes, आपके जो thoughts and beliefs हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा strong होते हैं, positive होते हैं, because you're carrying that energy that yes, I can do that and this is going to happen in my life. तो वो चीज़ें भी आपको कहीं ना कहीं इस चीज़ में benefit देती हैं कि वो चीज़ें आपकी strong होती हैं, right? So moving on to the next thing, which is very important, that you cultivates gratitude. Yes, gratitude रहना लाइफ में, धन्यवाद की एक अभिव्यक्ति रखना, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. Unless until we are not showing the gratitude towards our family, towards the society, or towards the nature, to everything, or to the universe, we can't achieve anything, right? So when we manifest things positively, through our mind and body and soul, then definitely the feeling of gratitude gets increased, or you cultivate it more. So it's very important to focus on this. Moving on to the next thing, which is very very important, that it increases positive thinking. Yes, positive thinking के बारे में मैंने बहुत बात की है. And when you do this, you practice manifestation, then it increase this kind of thought process into that you become more positive. You don't just think always about negative कि ये हो गया, वो हो गया, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा, वैसा तो नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं है लाइफ में, ये सब चीज़ें. negative thoughts आपके जो आते हैं, definitely you kind of uh, get away with that. So it improves the positive thinking process as well. So it's very important that we should pay attention to this manifestation thing. Okay. And let's talk about the other thing which is very very important, that motivation and focus. Yes, motivation बहुत ज़रूरी है आजकल के टाइम में. people are not that motivated, या थोड़े टाइम के लिए मोटिवेट हो जाते हैं, फिर से वो मोटिवेशन चला जाता है, डिस्ट्रैक्शन आ जाता है, नेगेटिविटी आ जाती है. then when you're doing this manifestation thing, definitely you get motivated and you are more focused, right? So it's important to follow that. Moving on to the next thing which is very very important, that less stress. Yes, stress एक ऐसी चीज़ है, आप आजकल के टाइम में 90%, और I would say even not exactly 100, but I would say more than 90% people are having this problem, that स्ट्रेस है बहुत ज़्यादा, एंग्जाइटी है, मेंटल इशू, हेल्थ इश्यूज़ है, वो सारी चीज़ें इकट्ठी होती रहती हैं कहाँ, यहाँ इन योर ब्रेन, इन योर माइंड, एंड then it affects adversely or negatively to your entire thing, to about your career goals, to about your life goals and all. So when you're having this manifestation, you have less stress. Okay. Moving on to the next thing which is very very important, that it attract opportunities. Yes, जब आप कोई भी चीज़ manifest करते हैं, आपने मन में सोच लिया, एक थॉट प्रोसेस बनाया, अपने माइंड में कुछ क्रिएट किया है, आप कुछ उस चीज़ को इमेजिनेशन के थ्रू करना चाह रहे हैं, पॉजिटिव चीज़ें, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू अट्रैक्ट मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज बिकॉज यू आर पॉजिटिव. यू मे थिंक अबाउट द solution oriented things कि अच्छा ये नहीं हुआ तो क्या कर सकते हैं, इसमें क्या improve कर सकते हैं, how can we do that, rather than being negative कि ये भी नहीं हो सकता, ये भी नहीं हो सकता, ये भी नहीं हो सकता. Times it happens, we see यार कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. But when you do this thing, you do not think like that, and because of that, automatically you get more chances of the opportunities because your mindset have changed, right? So moving on to the next thing which is very very crucial and related to this thing, my friend, that you build relationships. Yes, आपके relationships भी अच्छे होते हैं because when you are positive towards things, towards nature, to the universe, automatically you will be attached and engaged with more people because nobody wants to be attached with the negative people or who are negative all the time, right? So it's very important for the relationship sake as well. Okay. Moving on to the next thing which is again a very important thing, that you be more disciplined. Yes, आप ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन हो जाते हैं, डिसिप्लिन आपका बढ़ता है, चीज़ों में आपका फोकस होता है, and that's very important to achieve your goals in life. So it's important. Okay, last but not the least, which is very very crucial thing, my friend, that it improves concentration and belief. Yes, आपका concentration भी improve होता है क्योंकि आज के इस समय में concentration एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो बहुत ज़्यादा घटती जा रही है. A normal concentration is more or less 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and maximum 5 minutes, I would say. And that I'm stretching a bit far. So it's very important that when we follow this manifestation thing, हमारा concentration भी improve होता है because we're focusing on our mind, we are giving things to our mind. It's with the positive thoughts, तो हमारा belief system की positive चीज़ें होंगी हमारी लाइफ में, सब अच्छी चीज़ें होंगी हमारी लाइफ में, वो बढ़ता है and concentration भी बढ़ता है. So that's it for today, my friends. I hope आपको ये चीज़ें समझ में आई होंगी, and you've also understood the power of manifestation, and definitely you want to try that. Okay, so if you found this video useful and helpful, then do share it with your friends, family and colleagues so that they can also take help from this video and move ahead in life. And if you love the content of the videos of Mindyology and you like us, then do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from us always on time, my friends. And do share your feedback, suggestions and comments into the comment box, or you can write us at info.mindyology@gmail.com and let us know what you think and feel about Mindyology, because it's your own channel. So that's it for today, my friends. We shall meet next week with yet another interesting and knowledgeable episode for all of you. Till then, please keep loving Mindyology like you always do, and do take a very good care of yourself. I wish you a wonderful and a blessed day ahead. Bye-bye.